Okay, y'all, we are back and we are talking about keeping our frequencies and our vibrations high enough so that we ascend to where we desire to ascend to. And today we're talking about D5 or Earth 5. So I want you to focus on releasing those things that are keeping you stuck, those things that get you triggered, those things that have you vibrating in a low place, those things that make you flick off and go into like a 3D type of energy. The things that make you angry and trigger you to acting outside of yourselves. I want you to work on releasing those things for now, because tapping into that D3 energy at this time is going to tether you more to D3, because we are in a place right now where manifesting is high and you're able to manifest on fleek. That's the timeline that we're on right now. You will be manifesting like this. You can manifest with your words, with your thoughts, with your actions. If you're angry, with your anger. If you're happy and feeling loving, with that. So, manifesting is on fleek. So you want to refrain from going low, So, one thing that I want you to do is to work on releasing the programs or the vibrations, the energies, the entities, all those things that take you there, that take you to that low place, right? And what I want you to do is think about, and this kind of goes into a little bit our deprogramming and reprogramming exercise that we did on the 16th of May, the prep work that we did. So I want you to think about whatever the struggle is that you're having. Think about that thing that is your stressor, or the thing that you feel like you haven't been able to conquer. Whatever it is, let's say if it's a relationship, you may feel like every relationship that shows up looks like the last one and didn't get that much better. I know one thing that I used to request was this or something better. Like if I was in a relationship and I wasn't sure, I might be like, help work on this or give me something better, and then at one point I was like, look, I only want my divine mate. I've had enough of, this or something better, this or something better. Give me my divine mate. And I will just wait patiently on my divine mate until he arrives and I'm good, right? But what I want you to do is think about what that thing is. So let's say it's the relationship, and let's say that wears you out, like it brings you down. Or let's say that you're in a funky relationship and it's not serving your highest good or whatever. Let's say it's finances. Let's say you have bumped your head up against the wall and you have not been able to achieve the financial place that you would like to achieve. Or let's say it's career. You have not been able to achieve the career that you desire, or you go after positions and you don't get them and you don't know why, or whatever. You got laid off and you don't know why you got laid off, or whatever it is. Wherever you are, you know what? Because I know someone that's gotten laid off so many times. It's like, what is that all about? What if that career, that path that you chose is not really for you? That could be what the message is. But anyway, so what I want you to do is just think about what it is that you're having a struggle with, right? And don't think about why you're having the struggle. Don't think about that. That is not your problem at this time, right? Because the more you think about why you're having the problem, the more you're going to manifest the why you're having the problem to solidify the problem. Okay? So we're not going to think about that part. We did in our community, we did some exercises last night in our goddess initiation class. And one of the things that the manual told us to do, I said, we're not going to do that, because it had you focusing on your problem, right? So we are not focusing on problems anymore, right? In the past, I used to focus on the problem to heal that and all this. Nah. We are not doing that because we're not breathing any more life into that problem. We have breathed enough life into that problem. So I just want you to write down what the problem is, okay? Not why the problem is the problem. And I want you to ask your collective team, source creator, mother God, father God, whoever you pray to, your ancestors, your guides, your angels, if you pray to different deities, if you ask orishas for assistance, go there with your team, whoever your team is, no judgment. I don't care who your team is, okay? But go to your team and ask your team to release, deprogram, heal, anything that is creating this problem right here. I don't care what it all is. Heal that. Deprogram that. Whatever programs that you have that is creating more of this situation over here, deprogram those things. Deprogram them, you know, and just replace it with some love for now, right? Deprogram that. And or replace it with something better. Ask your team to do that for you. You know what I'm saying? So that's the exercise I want you to do first. Just go through whatever the struggles are and ask your team to help you. Okay? We did an amazing deprogramming and reprogramming in the community. I had some people do it over because when I looked at their effectiveness, it was not effective. They didn't do their prep work well enough. And so I checked with some of them last night. We did a check-in last night where I kind of do a reading on you. And one of the ladies, she is doing so well, and she one of her things was weight loss, and it's like her brain is different now when it comes to the weight loss, right? And I am positive that now she's finally going to see it. So like if weight loss is your struggle and you have no idea why the heck can I lose a pound, right? You're doing all the things, but it's not happening for you, then maybe you need that. And our community, you know, it's always in every bio. You know, it's our website, goddessicescoming.com. So definitely check us out if you want to get the healing that I did. And when I did the healing, Source Creator came in through. It was so freaking amazing. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Everyone that did the session with us has been on fleek with their manifestations, on fleek with their intuition, on fleek with their telepathy, just on fleek, you know, their what are those dreams called when you lucid dreaming? Their lucid dreaming has been on fleek. It's just been amazing. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna close out with that one, and I hope this assists you in some kind of way. Please do what I just asked. I was asked to do this. This is what my job was to do today. This is what I've been instructed to do. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Ashe.